Hi everyone, it's Edmund. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can collect your online orders for your products or your services using this very simple software, and it doesn't require you to have any website building skills. And I believe in just 10 minutes or so, you'll be able to create this form. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so the name of this software that I'm going to introduce to you is called Jotform. Okay, so basically Jotform is a form builder, okay, somewhat like Google Forms, but this form builder is actually pretty advanced because there's a lot of things you can do. For example, you can showcase your products, you can even collect payments from it. Okay, so for this video, I'm just going to do a simple form, all right, and all you have to do is to follow me step by step, and then you will be able to start collecting orders for your products. Okay, so first let's go to jotform.com, okay, and then log in. All right, so I've already signed up an account, so I'm just going to log in my account. Okay, so once you're in, all right, you can just as you can see, just the previous one that I did. Okay, so I'm going to do from scratch and then show you. So once you're in here, okay, by the way, this software is completely free. Okay, of course there's a paid version. The paid version, you'll be able to have more features. Okay, so in this free version, right, which is good enough for us, click create form, okay, and then click start from scratch and click classic form, okay, and then you can begin to build your form. Okay, so let's imagine that right now I am selling cookies, okay, and the name of my cookie store is ABC Cookies. So just gonna do a quick one, ABC Cookies. Okay, and then the first thing that you want to do, all right, is to click add form element, and you want to collect your customer details, correct? So you can just drag this in, all right. You want to collect their full name, collect the email, okay, it should be at the bottom. You will also want to collect their phone number. Okay, so make sure it's in the correct order. And then what else do we have? Okay, the rest you can just look through, nothing much. Okay, so this is the details that you need. Oh wait, one important one, you need the address of your customer because you need to deliver your products. Okay, so drag this in as well. Okay, and there you go. These are the details that you need for your customers. Okay, so now I assume that you're selling your products in Singapore. So if you look at the address segment here, you don't need to have so many boxes, correct? Because I mean, there's no state. Singapore is just one state. So just click on properties and then go to options. We would want to uncheck state, uncheck city, because assuming it's in Singapore. You can even uncheck street address because well, street address 1 is enough. And that's it. Okay, so that's all you need for your address properties. And yeah, the rest is quite okay. So once you have settled this part, right, it is time to add in the products that you sell. Okay, so once again, click add form element, and then you see this product list, you can just drag it in here. Aha, so here comes the fun part. Okay, so I'm selling cookies. All right, so maybe I'll just put cookie order form. Okay, so okay, for example, I'm just selling one type of cookie. I'll name my cookie. So over here you can see this box over here. This is where you can add in, right, all the details of your products. So over here you can see, imagine I'm selling cookie, okay wait, chocolate chip cookies, and I'm selling let's say I'm selling $15 per jar. Okay, so this is a jar of chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so simple enough. And then what else do you have? Image. Okay, so you want to add in the image of a cookie. So make sure that you have a nice photo of the product that you're selling. Okay. Now note that this form, right, it also applies to services. Okay, but I choose to use a product as a demo because there's more things that I can actually show you. But for example, if you are doing a service, let's say a tutoring services, You can also do something like a form, and maybe your order form would be in terms of a lesson or a session. Okay, same thing, you just put your session and then you put your price in. Okay, but in this case, back to the demo, we are selling cookies. So upload a photo of a cookie. Okay, so I went to Google to find some cookie just now. So let's say this. Okay, I'm just going to upload the photo of a cookie in. And then you should be able to see the cookie inside it. Okay, where is it? It's not coming out. Okay, we shall see. Okay, upload file again. Let's try that again. Okay, the cookie is here. So click it. Okay, that would be the image that you want to use. Okay, now there are more options below. You can see what are the things that you want to adjust. Now, what's important here is the quantity selector here. Okay, because imagine you are what's the maximum order you can take per cookie. So in this case, let's say for example, the maximum cookie I can sell is only 3 jars. So I would probably change this from 1 to 3, save quantity. Okay, so once you're done, save product. There you go. So you see a photo of the cookie, and now your customers can select. There will be a drop down. They can select how many bottles, how many jars that they want to purchase. Okay, so there you go. Pretty straightforward. You have your customer details, you have your order form. Okay, next let's talk about payment. Now I want to choose the most easy way for you to collect payment. Now, right here in Singapore, most of us actually use bank transfer or PayNow, right? So I will use that as an example, so it's easier for you, right? The learning curve is not so steep. But maybe the next time around, I can share how you can actually collect electronic payments via credit card. Okay, but for a demo purpose, let us now add in a simple paragraph to show your customers how they can collect payment. Okay, so once you're here, drag paragraph in. So basically, paragraph is a box where you can type text. Okay, so for example, now we want to tell our customers how they can pay us. So note, okay, for payment, okay, you may do a bank transfer to, then you can put in your bank details, or pay now to, then you can put in your mobile number, and then click the tick. There you go. Okay, so there you go, you have the whole form now. Okay, let us click publish. Okay, so once you click publish, this is the link that you can actually share, right, on your Facebook page, or just a WhatsApp as well. You can add WhatsApp to your friends if they want to order. So let's have a look at how this form looks like. ABC cookies, there you go. Okay, so a very quick example. Now, next, I want to show you how you can actually collect this data. Okay, because from what I know, there are a lot of people who actually are able to create products, but they don't know how to collect their orders because they think that building a website is very difficult. But you look at this, we probably did this in less than 10 minutes. Okay, now the next segment, right, I want to show you how you are able to collect all this data. Okay, what happens when your customers click submit? Okay, so first of all, I assume that you have a Gmail account. If you don't, please go and create one, because once you have a Gmail account, you will also be able to access some of their apps like Google Sheets. Okay, so Google Sheets is like a Microsoft Excel, right, where you can use it as a table and to collect data. So right now, right, we want to be able to sync all this data into our Google Sheets directly, so that all you have to do, right, is look at the Google Sheets to see who placed the orders, and then you can just focus on creating your product. You can focus on creating your cookies. Okay, so go back to the form. Okay, and I want you to come to okay, let's go back to settings. Okay, so I would want you to go to integrations. Okay, this part may be a bit difficult, but just step by step follow me. Okay, so once you're under integrations, click Google Sheets. Okay, you need to give Google Sheets permission. Okay, you need to give Google Sheet, right, to let Jotform connect. You know what I mean? Like give each other's permission to connect the two apps together. So you gotta click authenticate, and then you have to log in your Gmail account. So let's say I'm using this. Let me just log in. Right, see, Jotform wants access to your Google account. So I'm going to give Jotform permission. So allow, and then you click. Okay, so you can see they will create a file called Jotform called ABC cookies. Complete integration. Okay, so once it's done, right, we can start to test the form. Okay, just click. So see, they even give the link, to the spreadsheet. So click here, right? All the submissions can come here. Look, all the fields that you created just now, you can actually see it here. That's why you need to have a Gmail account. Okay, so let's come back to the order form. Okay, let's come back to the order form. So click finish. Okay, of course, there's a lot of other integrations that you can look at, but the aim of this video is to help you create a simple order form. So let us not talk about other apps. Okay, so publish. Once you have it, copy link. Okay, so let's imagine I'm a customer. I want to order some delicious cookies from ABC Cookies. Okay, admin, and then my email and my address, which I will try and censor in this video. Okay, and I want to order the chocolate chip. So once I'm ready with the order, submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so that was my role as a customer. Okay, but now as the order form owner, right, I should be able to receive, should be able to see the order coming in. Yeah, so you see, once you come back to the sheet, you can immediately, all right, see the order that came in. So on your end, all you have to do is to make sure that your customer pay you via PayNow, or maybe under the instructions, but you can put, once you have done your payment, please send a screenshot to my mobile number. Okay, and then once you receive the payment, you can process and start to bake your cookies. And once your cookies are done, you have your customer's address over here, and you can deliver your cookies to your customers. Okay, so that is a very quick demo on how you can create a form to collect orders for your products. Okay, and this way, right, it is a lot neater for you, because I noticed a few friends also, they sell clothes online, but there's no proper way for them to collect orders. They all just, okay, interested, just PM, PM, PM. But if you get too many private messages, everything is going to be very messy. Okay, so by having this simple form, you will be able to process your orders very easily. Alright, so I hope this tutorial has helped you, and let me know what you think. Alright, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'll be able to help you. Alright, thank you.